विवाहाबद्दल चौकशी.
Inquiry about the marriage.
Hello, Mr. Sharma. Good morning. How are you?
I'm quite well, thank you. I am glad to see you.
The pleasure is mine, sir. How is your health?
Much better, thank you.
This is my wife, Shashi.
Namaskar Shashi ji, welcome.
Good morning, Mr. Sharma. We have come to take your help.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Well, do you know Professor Mishra in your college?
Yes, he is a very good friend of mine.
And do you know about his family also?
Yes, I know them very closely.
Actually, Professor Mishra wants to consider a match for his daughter with my son Devin.
Oh, I see.
So, could you please give me some details about Mr. Mishra's daughter and their family?
Yes, sure. Only 5 members, Mr. and Mrs. Mishra, their 2 sons and 1 daughter.
And what does Neha do?
Well, Neha is a software engineer in a multinational company and also completed MBA this year.
And where is Neha's office in Delhi?
Her office is a Nehru Place.
Could you tell me something about Neha's nature?
Yeah, sure. Neha is sweet, simple, adjustable and a soft-spoken girl by nature.